Fire brings warmness and lights up roads. Only after the primitive people learned to make fire, a kind of strong natural force, the humankind had become completely distinguished from animals. Fire brings hope to human beings as well as huge disasters. An explosion occurred in a dangerous chemicals warehouse in Tianjin port, causing 165 casualties. Over 65% of the victims were firefighters and police officers who died in secondary explosions. Explosions release a huge amount of energy with strong destructiveness in a short time. Therefore, explosion prevention has been a difficult scientific problem for mankind. HFJ provides that fire, actually, is not so horrible. HFJ is a high-tech product with patent for invention, which is highly accepted by the Chinese government and widely spread and applied nationwide. Today, the HFJ coverage rate in China has exceeded 80%, and the accident rate for over 3,000 projects using the HFJ technology is zero, which is truly a miracle. HFJ guaranteed the security of Beijing Olympic Games and World Expo Shanghai, protecting the nation and its people, and HFJ has become the leading brand in explosion-proof barriers. Since ancient times, nature has always been the source of human wisdom. The hexagon structure of honeycombs is very firm, and its theory has been applied in airplane wings and artificial satellite walls. HFJ scientists were inspired by the honeycomb. When HFJ explosion-proof barrier materials are put into containers with flammable and combustible liquids, gases, and dangerous chemicals, rapid spreading of flame and quick release of energy are decomposed into a minor hexagon barrier material of honeycomb structure in the container, so that the flame spreading speed can be effectively limited, and the pressure value of the wave caused by fire and explosion is sharply reduced to 0.02 MPa, 85.7% lower than national standards, marking a new record. Meanwhile, HFJ material is a synthesis of dozens of precious metals with a good heat conduction effect, and as a result, explosion conditions can be utterly eliminated. In other words, application of HFJ explosion-proof barrier technology will bring two amazing phenomena. Phenomenon 1. Fire without explosion. In case dangerous chemicals are on fire, transformed storage facilities with HFJ explosion-proof barrier technology will not explode. Firefighters can immediately start the firefighting work, and technicians can conduct welding of oil pipelines, completely avoiding personal injury, death, and property losses. Phenomenon 2. Fire intensity is largely reduced. Unit surface area of HFJ is increased by 294 times, and its absorbing or decomposing heat ability is largely improved. Once storage or transportation facilities for dangerous chemicals are on fire, HFJ can rapidly decompose and absorb heat through its built-in materials network and turn the fierce fire into small flame. Even if storage or transportation facilities for dangerous chemicals are surrounded by fire, HFJ can also absorb most heat released due to burning. Under the burning sun, the molecules of dangerous chemicals move violently due to increase of temperature. HFJ transforms the warehouses of finished gas or oil, gas stations, oil tanks, and other facilities, and brings them a significant reform. 1. HFJ can reduce oil-gas volatilization by 40%, effectively preventing fire occurrence and reducing pollution. 2. HFJ can effectively avoid the temperature rise of storage or transportation facilities and prevent self-ignition accidents. 3. HFJ can largely reduce the surge of liquids and effectively avoid overturning accidents. 4. In case of leakage, equipment with HFJ can be directly welded with oil. 5. Firefighters will not face the danger of explosion during fire extinguishment. 6. HFJ is the economical and environmentally friendly transformation of existing facilities. HFJ explosion-proof barrier technology covers 5 major core sectors: technical research and development, explosion-proof barrier materials production, installation and design of transforming project, construction of transforming project, and late service maintenance. It provides perfect solutions for different dangerous chemicals, and applicable to storage or transportation facilities for many dangerous chemicals including gasoline, kerosene, diesels, etc. It can play the role of strategic safety prevention in fields such as land transportation, aviation, navigation, and military equipment systems. HFJ has launched a technological innovation. Human wisdom will always be the most powerful weapon. When you drive your child to school or travel by air, or prepare to operate an oil tank, or when firefighters are assigned to execute a task, HFJ will always protect you. For storing and shipping equipment in strategic sites or military equipment used in land or ocean, for the storage and transportation of any dangerous chemical or sudden malicious attack, HFJ can provide a strategic safety guarantee for the country. You cannot see me, you cannot smell me, you cannot sense me. I am the invincible opponent of explosion. I am the security guard. I am HFJ Explosion-Proof Barrier Technology. Zhongxing Zhengbang Technology Company Limited.